How to invite friends to Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are logged into your account successfully. Once you are on the main screen or home page, look for the menu or icon that says Friends. Then tap on Find Friend and enter the player ID of the person you want to invite. After entering the ID, tap on Find and it will display the player's profile. Then tap on the Invite option to send them an invitation. When your friend receives the invite, they can join Fire Kirin and both of you may receive rewards depending on ongoing promotions or referral programs. Inviting friends not only make the game more enjoyable, but can also earn you bonus coins and other benefits. Now you know how to invite friends to Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.